Go.
So this is our dog park. So we do have our dog park segregated into 3 parts. For instance, if you want to keep your small dogs separate from larger dogs, we do have a smaller yard right here. So this transitions to what we have a medium dogs in this, and then going all the way down, and we'll go see that. We have a section for our large dogs, an area that's plenty of big if you want to play fetch or expend some energy, or just expend, like I said, give some exercise to your pet and have them socialize with other people and pets. That's also a great area.
Chase, okay. One thing that is actually, it's a one big thing that's striking me, and by the way, they do have the pet pouches and the garbage cans taken care of. And by the way, this is passing the smell test. It's not. It must be well maintained because I'm just not smelling anything. They do have also an area to where you could wash your dog right there, and so you've got that area too. And then you've got actually two hoses you could use to wash your dog. But do you see? And we're going to walk it. But this is the largest dog park in all of Uptown. There's nothing that's even close to this. This is gigantic and enormous. So kudos. I have to give this an A++ on dog park because I have never seen one this big, and I've also never seen one that actually separated. That's a big deal because I've got a Pom, and she's 11 or 12 pounds, and so my Pom is not afraid of big dogs, but I'm afraid that little Pom could get eaten up by a big dog, and so to split them up, that's really, really cool. Okay, cool, let's walk it.
So we can go through this gate, we'll have to go around.
Okay.
Because that's a solid one right there. So.
Okay. This is probably the most amount of time I think I will ever spend on a dog park because it's just massive. I mean, look at this. This is massive. And by the way, it's right connected to the building, and it's right outside here. This is a office building. This is a super safe area, so there's no safety issues that it's not inside the building or anything. And frankly, there's no way they could put this massive park inside the building. So this I feel very safe, and it's surrounded by gates and stuff. So this is awesome. Okay, sorry, go ahead, Chase.
Oh, no worries at all.
Wow. So we were just small one over there, medium over here, and then massive. I mean, your dog would be tired just running back and forth one time over there. Look at that. That's how long is that?
It's probably another 100 yards at least.
100 yards, 300 feet. So this is a football field. Your dog is running a football field. Your dog is going to love you if you select this residence. Your dog really will. This is amazing. This is awesome. And there's nice. They keep it nice around here. There's some plants. This is artificial grass, and it's also passing the smelling test, by the way. So it all smells good. I'm not seeing any accidents or anything. So they must be keeping this up. Very, very nice.
Just a note here: all exterior accesses to the building, including from the dog park, require a fob for entry.
Awesome. Okay, so we're actually gonna pick up right on the other side just shortly.